Yes or no, girls?
What, ma'am?
Yes. We saw these three levels of court, no, in the last class.
Yes.
Okay. So, beta, we have for the, for the judiciary to function properly, we have three levels of courts. Okay. That is Taluka court at the base, then district court, and the high court. Okay. Now, as I discussed Jalmas with you last time, that the high court is the highest court of any state. Okay, any state high court is the highest court. After high court comes the taluka. Sorry, after high court, the biggest court of the country is the Supreme Court. Okay, is it clear? Can you listen me, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, such courts works at different levels. Okay, so means you cannot directly go and file a case in Supreme Court. Yes, unless and until कि आपका केस उस कैटेगरी में फॉल करता हो तो yes, one has to file a case in the district court. Then, if not satisfied with the verdict from there, then high court. If you're not satisfied from the verdict of high court, then only then you can go to the Supreme Court. Okay, our state, Gujarat State High Court is in Ahmedabad. Where it is? It is in Ahmedabad. Every state has an high court. हाँ,
Ahmedabad.
हर एक स्टेट में हाई कोर्ट होती है. ओके, every state has a high court, and our state high court is in Ahmedabad. Apart from that, Supreme Court means our country court, the main court is in Delhi. Okay, where it is, beta? In Delhi. Is it clear? Yes. Clear? Yes, read almost these 4 points.
Read and understand. The court at the lower level is Taluka court. Such courts are called trial courts. District courts are above Taluka courts. The head of district court is the High Court.
Yes. So what it is? At the basic lower level is the Taluka court, as I showed you here, isn't it? Is the Taluka court. Such courts are called the trial courts. Okay. Now district courts कहाँ पे है? They are above Taluka courts. Okay. And the head of district court is what?
High Court.
Yes, very good. Is the High Court. And see here, the Gujarat High Court. It is in Ahmedabad, right? This is the picture, real picture. अच्छा, ऐसे ही है हमारे गुजरात के हाई कोर्ट. Okay. Now there is one more. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, there is one more story written over here that is about Hansaba's land. Okay, we are going to see that now. Now, what happened in this Hansaba's land? Okay, there was one, landlord. लैंडलॉर्ड मतलब कौन? कि जो ओनर होते हैं, है ना, जो ओनर होते हैं जमीन के, वो लैंडलॉर्ड कहलाते हैं. ठीक है. नो, वो कैसे थे? हाउ वाज ही वाज लाइक अ वेरी रूड पर्सन, एंड ही यूज्ड टू टेक अवे एवरीवन्स लैंड. ओके, ग्रैब एवरीवन्स लैंड और अपने नाम करवा लेते थे. ऐसा सब करते थे वो. फिर वन डे व्हाट हैपेंस, ही also takes away Hansaba's land. Okay, Hansaba is one character of this story, and in return, he does not give anything. No money, nothing he gives. So, in order to get her land back, ओके, अपना जो लैंड था वो उसे उनको वापस चाहिए था. तो व्हाट विल शी डू? शी फाइल्ड अ केस, ओके, इन द कोर्ट, इन द तालुका कोर्ट. यस. एंड सो बेटा, जो आर्ग्यूमेंट होती है, जो इस केस की है, क्या वर्डिक्ट मिलता है, वो सब हम हंसाबाज लैंड में देखेंगे. ओके. यस, अलमास कंटिन्यू.
Hansaba's land. There was once a landlord in a small town whom everyone was afraid of. He owned a majority of land area in the town. There was an old lady, Hansaben, whose farm was near the land. The landlord gradually started capturing the land nearby. Slowly and steadily, the landlord encouraged upon the Hansaba's territory.
हर फार्म.
Her this is the order to given. Hansabin filed a case in the Taluka court. Both the landlord as well as Hansabin presented their arguments in the court. The judge heard the arguments and gave the verdict in the favor of Hansabin.
Yes, very good. Yes. So, what do we understand, Zainab, in this? What did uh, what what is about Hansaben in this return? Yes, Almas, can you say?
Ma'am, I have to explain this story.
Yes, explain. I gave you introduction. Okay, what is talk going on in this? The case history I said you first, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Whatever you understand.
There
This
was a landlord. Okay.
yes.
There
Who
was a
is
landlord in a small town.
very good. He is to capture.
Everyone was afraid of him.
Hmm.
He used to capture all the land of what land he found good. There was an old lady named Hensabel. He liked his land, so he slowly and steadily started capturing his land, and he captured her all land, and he had not given money or land in the return. So Hansaben wants his land, so he filed
हंसाबेन
a
वांट्स हर
case
लैंड
in
बैक.
the court.
हाँ, हंसाबेन को क्या चाहिए? उनका लैंड वापस चाहिए. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? कोर्ट में केस फाइल किया है ना, क्योंकि लैंडलॉर्ड ने
Ma'am,
लैंड
your
Your
हर दे
voice
voice.
is
दिया था, पर
cutting.
मनी भी नहीं, लैंड नहीं दिया, राइट? इन ऑर्डर टू गेट हर बैक. ओके, नाउ क्लियर? हेलो, नाउ क्लियर गाइस?
Yes.
Okay. So what happens, beta? To get her land back, what will she do? She filed a case. Okay, in the Taluka court. Now there what happened? Both the land as well as Hansaben. कौन land as well as Hansaben, they presented their arguments. उन्होंने अपना argument present किया कि भाई this is my land, and that man might be also said कि this is my land and all this, and they what did they do? They presented their arguments. Okay, what did they do, beta? They presented their arguments and they discussed okay, what should be done ahead. And then the judge heard their arguments. What did the judge do? He heard the arguments. दोनों की बातें उन्होंने सुनी और फिर उन्होंने फैसला दिया इन फेवर ऑफ हंसाबेन. तो यहाँ पे सच्चाई की जीत हुई. यस. सो बेटा, कैन यू लिसन मी बेटा? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am. We
हेलो.
can hear, sir. Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, then reply. So, beta, what it is? Civil cases, only civil cases are heard in the court. Where are they heard, beta? In the court. Household, land, and property cases are all called civil type of cases. I said I'll explain you what is civil cases and what is criminal cases, right? And if people do not follow what if people do not follow or do not get justice in the taluka court, then they can appeal to the district court. And still, if not in district court, then they can go to the other court. That court is the high court. Which is the high court? Which is the biggest court of any state? Beta?
High Court.
Yes. Yes. Very good. To the high court. Okay. Yes. Zainab, read beta.
Ma'am, she is not
Zainab,
here.
read. Okay. Anyone else would like to read? There?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting. We cannot hear properly.
Okay, Almas, continue. Beta. Okay, Almas, continue.
High Court. The highest court in our country is Supreme Court. Every state has a High Court. The High Court in our state is Ahmedabad. Jurisdiction at the High
Jurisdiction.
Court. All the High Courts form and are called Court of the section of the courts of all states by the High Court. All the High Courts are uniform and are called Court of the Records. There are other judges to help the main judge at the court. Anyone has the right to appeal the High Court for public welfare. However, if anyone appeals for the wrong reasons and wastes the court's time, she or he would be punished.
Hmm. So what it is, beta? High Court. Where is the High Court? It is in Ahmedabad. We already discussed that, right? So the highest court in our country is the Supreme Court. This also I said you. Yes or no? ये बताया कि नहीं मैंने,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So the high court, highest court of our country is the Supreme Court, right? And every state has a high court. The high court in our state is where, beta? Is in,
Ahmedabad.
yes, is in Ahmedabad, right? Now the jurisdictions of the courts of all states is decided by the High Court. All the high courts are uniform and are called court of records. What are they called? They are uniform means what? कि भाई गुजरात स्टेट का भी हाई कोर्ट है, आंध्र प्रदेश का भी हो और महाराष्ट्र का भी हो, तो सब यूनिफॉर्म होंगे. How will be they? All will work on the same level. Is it clear? Clear or not? They will work at the same in uniformity level, and they are also
Yes,
called
ma'am.
court of records. What are they called? They keep record of everything, so they are called courts of records. Now there are other judges to help the main judge. The main judge is held by the other judges at the high court. Okay, anyone has the right to appeal in the high court for public welfare. Yes, पब्लिक की भलाई के लिए कोई भी हाई कोर्ट में अपील कर सकता है. एनीवन कैन अप्लाई इन द हाई कोर्ट फॉर द पब्लिक welfare. Okay, you, me, or anyone can go and apply in the high court, but there should be reason. Okay, if you appeal for no reason and the wrong reason and you waste the court's time, then you will be punished. What will be done, beta? You will be punished. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you do, if you waste court's time, then you will be punished for no reason. If you waste the court's time, then one or he or she will be punished. Okay. The state high court judge takes the oath in the front of our governor. Oath मतलब oath ceremony we have ना, जो कसम खाते हैं, right? That oath they
Yes.
take in the front of governor. General, generally lawyers argue in the high court. If required, both the petitioner and the accused are called in the court. Who are called in the court? Petitioner and the accused. Okay, is it clear? Now we will see the other incident, that is about the judgment of Gabbar. Who? The judgment of Gabbar. Yes, Almas, continue beta.
Judgment for Gabbar. There was a village called Ranpur.
रानपुर
The
इज ए
head of
प्लेस.
that
ओके,
village was
रानपुर एक जगह का नाम है. ओके,
the head of the village was Lalji Mukhi. It was winter. One day, while returning home from the farm late in the evening, a car suddenly stopped near him. A few men got down from the car, attacked him, and left him badly injured. The person who attacked him was known
अटेम्प्टेड
ruffian.
हो. यस,
Attacked him was known ruffian Gabbar.
रूफी.
Mukhi filed a case. Ruffian Gabbar. Mukhi filed a case against Gabbar and got him arrested. Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court. After the argument from both the lawyers, the judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. Thus, Gabbar was set free and Mukhi did not get justice. Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly and even threatened to kill him. Mukhi, fed up of his thus decided to appeal his judgment. The High Court heard the argument on both the sides. The judgment of the High Court was given at the district court. Gabbar was convinced convicted that and Mukhi finally got justice. Hence, if person doesn't get justice from the district court, he or she can appeal the high court.
Yes. So what it is, beta? Here is a story. Story of whom? Gabbar. Okay, judgment for Gabbar. Now in this, what it is given? An incident is given. Okay, that once in a village of Ranpur, there was a person. Okay, the head of and that the head of the village was Lalji Mukhi. What was it? Lalji Mukhi. What was his name, beta?
Lalji Mukhi.
Huh. And it was winter, so one day when while returning home from the farm late in the evening, what happens? A car suddenly stopped near him. What stopped near him, beta? A car. Okay, a car suddenly stopped near him, and a few men got down from the car. And what did they do? They attacked him. मुखी को अटैक किया एंड लेफ्ट हिम बैडली इंजर्ड और उनको इतना मारा कि ही वाज बैडली इंजर्ड नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस बेटा द पर्सन हु अटैक्ड हिम वाज नोन एज रफीन गब्बर मतलब वो एक गुंडा था गब्बर ओके सो व्हाट डिड मुखी डू मुखी फाइल्ड अ केस अगेंस्ट गब्बर एंड गॉट हिम अरेस्टेड मुखी ने फिर क्या किया भाई उनको मारा था राइट हियर गॉट हर्ट badly injured. So he filed a case, and so Gabbar was arrested, right? But beta, what happens? Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court, and after the argument from both the lawyers, दोनों lawyers ने जब argument की, तो what happened? The judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. Is that good? Judgment फिर भी गब्बर के फेवर में पास हुआ. So what happens? The Gabbar was set free. गब्बर को कोर्ट ने छोड़ दिया. And Mukhi did not get justice. तो मुखी को justice मिला बच्चों?
No.
Yes, Mukhi did not get justice. Why only Almaz is replying? The others are sleeping or what? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please keep on responding, right? Thus, Gabbar was set free and Mukhi did not get justice. Mukhi को justice मिला?
No, ma'am.
No.
Right? He did not get justice, right? And so what happens then? He will appeal. Now to Gabbar to gunda tha, right? He was a ruffian, right? So he now what he happened that Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly. अब तो गब्बर ने और मुखी को डराना चालू कर दिया एंड इवन थ्रेटेंड हिम टू किल हिम कि भाई मैं तुम्हें मार भी डालूंगा इस तरह से मुखी को डराया तो मुखी वाज नाउ फेड अप of his and of these and thus decided to appeal in the high court तो मुखी क्या हुआ मुखी तंग आ गए थे गब्बर की इस एटीट्यूड से so he applied to the high court why he applied to the high court because he was not satisfied by what beta
District court.
हाँ so he appealed in the high court now the high court ने क्या किया फिर High Court heard the arguments from both the sides. From which sides? From both the sides. Gabbar's side and Mukhi's side. Both the sides. And the judgment was the High Court was different than that of the District Court. क्यों? क्योंकि गब्बर was convicted and मुखी finally got justice. गब्बर को सजा मिली. गब्बर प्रूव हो गया कि गब्बर ने गुनाह किया है. Right? Hence, if a person does not get justice from the district court, he or she can appeal in the high court. Okay? When you can appeal in the high court, जब आपको district court में से न्याय ना मिले तब. Is it clear, my dear students?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So there are some things to know. Yes, read Almas.
Things to know. Every district has criminal court. The policemen arrest criminals on the basis of complaints filed against
Fill in
them.
filed.
Criminal
Fill in
filed
filed.
against them. Criminal gets punishments like penalty, life
Life
imprisonment,
imprisonment,
and
life
death
imprisonment,
sentence, etc. on the
and
basis of crime committed
very good.
robbery, duel,
Dual, yes, very good.
A fight came under criminal cases. When the police get to know about a crime for the first time, an FIR, first
Investigation.
information report, is
Yes,
registered.
first information report is registered. So every state has what, beta? Every state has a criminal code. What does every state have? Has a criminal code, right? Now, the policemen, yes, the policemen arrest
Criminal
criminals
code.
on the basis of what, beta? डू दे कम टू नो कि आज भी यहाँ पे क्राइम होने वाला है ऐसा? हाँ, नहीं ना, तो ऑन द
No.
बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट दे विल कम टू नो? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कंप्लेंट्स फाइल, है ना? ऑन वॉट एवर द कंप्लेन इज फाइल, ऑन दैट बेसिस दे विल कम टू नो, right? And criminals get punishment like penalty. What do they get, beta? Like penalty, life imprisonment or death sentence. Okay, जैसा गुनाह किया हो वैसी सजा उनको मिलेगी, right? According to their crime. Okay, on the basis of the crime committed by him. Penalty भी कभी भरनी होती है. Then life imprisonment. Life imprisonment is what? Anyone knows? Life imprisonment.
उम्र सजा,
हाँ,
उम्र कैद.
उम्र कैद, right? Okay, चलो उम्र कैद. Then death sentence means फांसी की सजा. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not? All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now theft, robbery, dual murder, physical harm, or any kinds of fight case come under criminal cases. I explained you about the civil cases, right? Yes or no? बेटा क्यों जवाब नहीं आ रहा है? Hello, can you listen? So,
Yes.
yes, so these are called criminal cases. Now, when the police files a, when the police get to know about a crime, then first, for the first time, FIR is filed, is registered. What is that FIR? Known as that FIR is known as first information report. What it is known as?
First
What it
information
is known?
report.
Yes, first information report. Okay. Now we will see here one more story of Jugno. Okay. It is a very interesting one. We will concentrate. Yes, Almas, read better.
Jugnu. There was an abominable, abo- abominable and cruel man named Jugnu. People were afraid of him as he could rob and kill anybody. One day, a social worker visited that village. Since Jugnu's deeds were of the criminal offense, she filed a case against him
Fill
in
nahi
the
beta, filed.
filed a case against him in the district criminal court. In order to save people from the terror, he was tried in court, but the lady lost the case and no one dared to speak against Jugnu. However, if people had stood witness against Jugnu without fear, what verdict could have been passed?
Hmm. So now a cruel man, abominable and cruel name जो सबको डराते रहते हैं ना, ऐसा एक मैन था जिसका नाम था जुगनो. ओके, पीपल उनसे इतना डरते थे कि पूछो मत. राइट, पीपल वर अफ्रेड ऑफ हिम एज ही कुड रॉब एंड किल एनीवन. क्यों डरते थे? बिकॉज ही वॉज द वन हु कुड रॉब एंड किल एनीवन. किसी को भी लूट के उसको मार सकते हैं, ऐसे थे. तो अब क्या हुआ कि वन डे अ सोशल वर्कर विजिटेड. कौन, किसने विजिट किया? एक सोशल वर्कर, एक दूसरे गांव के वर्कर एक आए, विजिटेड द विलेज. और व्हाट डिड शी नोटिस? शी नोटिस्ड दैट पीपल इनसे बहुत डरते हैं, है ना? और जुगनू के काम कैसे है? तो भाई सजा के लायक है. कैसे है बेटा?
Sazak.
हाँ, because he was Jugnu's deeds were of criminal offense. How was it of criminal offense? So it is very much important to make him punish. So what did she do? She filed a case. What did she do, beta? she filed a case against him in the district criminal court. उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में केस फाइल किया उनके खिलाफ, जुगनू के खिलाफ, पीपल के वेलफेयर में, राइट. एंड व्हेन ही वाज प्रेजेंटेड इन ऑर्डर टू सेव पीपल फ्रॉम हिज टेरर, लोगों को उनसे बचाने के लिए उन्होंने ये काम किया, सोशल वर्कर ने. बट सी नाउ गर्ल्स, what happened, he was tried in the court, means when he was presented in the court, what happens, you know beta, huh? No one is ready to speak against him. कोई उनके खिलाफ नहीं बोला, कोई नहीं बोला. No one dared to speak, but the lady lost the case as no one dared to speak against him. What happened beta? As no one dared to speak against him, so she lost the case. Yes or no? है ना. बट अगर सब बोले होते तो,
Yes, ma'am.
इफ पीपल हैव वुड हैव स्पीक, देन इट विल बी गुड, नो. आखिरकार वो अच्छा किन के लिए करने गए थे, लोगों के लिए ना, फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द पीपल ओनली, नो, एज शी वाज अ सोशल वर्कर. यस और नो.
Yes.
But still no one supported her, so she was not given, no, people did not get any justice. Yes or no, girls?
Yes.
Yes. So this is about the verdict given by that court. Now the last point of this lesson, okay, courts passes judgments. Okay, what does the court do beta? They
Passes
passes the
judgment.
judgments, and the one the court has to investigate the matter minutely to avoid injustice, a case gets delayed. Court जो होती है बेटा, that passes the judgments at all minute level. It works at all minute level. Why at all minute level? Because if the decision is wrong, अगर कोई गलत verdict मिली है तो क्या होगा, तो किसी को सजा मिल जाएगी, बेकसूर को, राइट. One who is innocent, he will be punished, and one who is not, one who has committed crime, he will be released. So what does the court do? It investigates the matter very minutely. Yes. Why? To avoid injustice. Yes. Yes. And that is the reason beta why a case in the court gets delayed. है ना, कभी कभी केसेस बहुत डिले हो जाते हैं, राइट.
Yes.
So that is the reason why the case gets delayed. Is it clear? Now what happens, to reduce the workload of the High Court, Lok Adalats are set up, have been put up into practice. What has been put up into the practice? Lok Adalats.
Lok
Now,
Adalat.
yes, Lok Adalats find a solution for any reconciliations. So all this was about what beta, courts and their importance, whatever we saw. Yes, girls, did you understand the lesson or not?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood or not?
Understand.
Okay, one by one explain what you understood in this lesson. It is a very important lesson to understand, huh, beta?
Courts provide justice.
Very good. Then,
What
बोलो.
will help to our problem?
Sorry. Yes, say, someone say, speak. You can speak in your own words also. हेलो, आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में भी समझा सकते हो. चलो, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. एक्सप्लेन. हेलो, कैन यू लिसन मी बेटा?
Yes.
Yes. Say beta, what did we understand in this lesson? Almas, whatever you understood, say. Hello? You cannot listen me? Okay. No one is able to listen me? Okay, we will read the lesson once more. Girls, Hello. Yes, Julia Shifa. Hello, Sarah.
Yes,
Sarah is
ma'am.
also there. Why she is not replying?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
whose mic is making this noise? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah. What did we understand in this lesson? गर्ल्स आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, what did we understand in this lesson? Courts and their importance. Why are courts important? Say me. Courts क्यों important है? आप बताओ चलो.
To provide justice to people.
बस. हाँ? Justice is the main scenario. Okay. But why are they important? अगर ना हो courts तो what will happen? Sarah? Sarah?
Ma'am, she had written in message.
Okay, fine. चलो. Okay. कोई भी एक case, any one case if you want to explain of Jugnu or Hansabaz land, to explain to that one, Almas.
Okay, ma'am. There was a small town or village. There lived a lady named Hansaba.
Hmm.
There
Very
was
good.
a land. There was a man who captures everybody's land. So he came to Hansaba's land. He saw that the
Good.
land is very good. So he tried to capture the land slowly and steadily. He captured all the land of Hansabas and not given and had
Money
not
or
given money
land.
or land. So Hansaba went to the court.
Very good.
She
Then,
that man and the Hansaba presented their arguments to the court, and then Hansaba get the favor of the court.
yes, Hansabas gets the justice, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Hmm. Chalo, understood all girls. Okay, what can see if we face injustice, then we can go to any type of court, right?
yes,
Chalo, any doubt in the lesson?
no,
Rupani Zainab is absent today.
yes,
Okay. Chalo, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. All of you have completed the notes. Notes are sent you in the last class. Still, you have a weekend holiday. So please complete it. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Um,
Okay,
bye.
All of you. Hello?
yes,
All of you complete your notes. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Bye, ma'am.
Sorry? What you are saying, beta? Hello? Bolo? Any doubt in the lesson, all of you?
no, ma'am.
No.
Chalo.
Bye.
Okay, chalo. Bye, all of you. One by one, everyone
Thank you
leave the
for
room.
coming.
Welcome, beta. My pleasure. Almas, complete your fair books as soon as possible. No, recording is going on. I can't do it. Afterwards, we'll do. Someday when there is no recording, at that time we will do. Okay? Huh? Okay, chalo. Almas, lesson one and two is completed, no?
Ma'am, my all lessons are completed.
Very good. Chalo. And Aisha Ganyani means Humaira Ganyani, your lessons fair book is completed.